You've been holding it all together. The tension, the thoughts, the tiny things that add up. And your spine is asking for mercy. Your gut is just begging for space. Your soul is ready to release. You need a reclining twist, or Supta Matsyendrasana in Sanskrit. It unwinds the spine, it rinses the organs, and it just wrings out the stress hiding in your hips and belly. To get into a reclining twist, lay down on your back. Plant your feet. Lift your hips, move them over to the left a little bit. Now lengthen your right leg, pull your left knee in, move your knee across your body, but keep your shoulders touching the mat. That's how you keep your spine straight and safe. Then turn your head away from your knee. This isn't just a stretch. It's a cleanse for your body and your being. As you melt into the mat, you balance your spine's energy flow, you squeeze out what's no longer needed, and make room for what's next. One pose, 1 minute. Let go, unwind, and begin again.